Domestic manufacturing matters. Manufacturing is part of the American success story. It accounts for 15.4 million jobs, a $2.18 trillion contribution to the economy, and over 75% of R&D in the private sector. And our steel enhances the manufacturing success story with the strength to support massive structures, the ductility to perform under extreme tensile loading, providing protection from forceful mechanical impact, durability to withstand decades of exposure to weather and corrosive elements, and sustainability to be continually recycled with no effect on performance. That's why steel supports us everywhere. In every city and in every industry. Infrastructure, commercial and industrial construction, national defense, agriculture, industrial equipment, transportation, energy, and steel supports everyone. Every job in the steel industry creates 7 supporting jobs in other manufacturing sectors, the service industry, finance, and much more. The American worker needs our support. Here are 5 ways you can show your support. 1. Get involved. Contact your elected officials to voice your support for domestic manufacturing. 2. Choose American Metal. Buy American-made products and your money will stay in local communities. 3. Share your story. Tell us in words, photos, or video on social media using hashtag ChooseAmericanMetal or at ChooseAmericanMetal.com. 4. Wear the gear. Buy American Metal merchandise. Proceeds go to support industry trade schools. And 5. Show your support at work. Tell your customers you support domestic manufacturing and display American Metal signage in your workplace. American Metal. It's about strength, courage, integrity. That's worth supporting.